Hello viewers, how are you guys? This is Aslam Manzoor and this is the second video of our series in which we are going to learn about how we can make complete system. In the last video we have discussed about the form and form submissions, form integrations, and also we have learned about how we can design form as well. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can set up our calendar in GoHighLevel, how we can link calendars, how we can make pipelines, and how we can make stages, how we can make automations, how we can make complete booking system where we can generate more leads, more business in GoHighLevels. Without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you step by step. I have mind map. I will explain you step by step how it's work and how we can improve it to get more leads and more booking into our system. First note, what we are going to learn about calendar setup and calendar foundations. So first of all, we have create a calendars in which we have basic calendars, one-on-one calendars, then we will assign to team members, then we will set availability durations and booking window, notice and feature limit as well, and then we will connect our Google Calendar or Outlook calendars. Then we have booking forms, and there is a two option. We can use GoHighLevel forms or we can use by default calendar form. So without wasting time, let's do these all step in a practical way so you can learn how we can implement this. So I just log in into my GoHighLevel account. That's my GoHighLevel agency, and let me dive in. First of all, I can just switch into another sub account. So first of all, I just simply go to calendars, and in calendars I just go to setting. So first thing, when we are making booking system, we need to do, so first of all we need to do connections. So we need to I just go into connection and I will say that I just add connection and I need to link my Google Calendar. So in your case, you can add your Google Calendars or you can use your Microsoft Calendars or iCloud. It's up to you. But in my case, I'm going to use this one. So I will connect with it. And once it's connected, then I will just simply go back into availability section and I will set our availability. And here is all user, for which user you want to set availability. So in my case, I'm going to set availability for this guy, and I will set times at everything here. And once this is done, time and availability is set, in the next step what we can do, just simply go back into calendar setting and I will create for first calendar here. So here we have already these calendars. So what I can do, I will make another calendar. So here we have 4 types of calendar. I just click on a new calendars button. I can say personal calendar, in which we will do one-on-one meetings, like we can say that book appointments for one-on-one for any consultation, like hair consultations or any other dentist or whatever the consultation is. And another is that it's a very good for sales calls and onboarding sessions, round robins, and class booking calendar. It's very good for webinars, group trainings, and online classes. And collective booking, it's very good for panel interviews, for commitments, for committees reviews. And these are the 4 main types of calendar. We have some more as well. So if we have scheduling physical events for this event calendars, and for service calendar, like we have repair service, consultation service, and spa service, that's good for it. And this is for one calendars. So let me go with the round and robins for now, and I just put calendar name here. We will say that test calendar. So spell is wrong, so we can say that test cal for video. That's our name. You say that. I just copy this because I need to submit again. So first of all, then we need to assign user as well. So how you can make user in GoHighLevel to assign them? It's a super easy. I just open setting again into. I just open stuff into new tab and simply go here into staff. First of all, you need to go to agency view, and in agency view you can do that. So I can assign a team member and I will select the calendar custom URL. It's up to you, whatever you want to put here you can re-edit it, but I am going to use same one. So here we have meeting durations, 30 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever you want to do, you can select it. And here you can see your availability show here as well. These are a basic stuff, and here we have some advanced customization. In advanced customization, what we can do, we can upload our logo here on calendars. So in my case, I will choose from my own media library. So for now I can use let me use, okay, for now I'm going to use this one for logo, and we can put some short description as well. So right now I'm going to use this same name as a description. If you want to add in a group, so you can create group as well. For right now I'm not going to use any group, and here you can put invite meeting title, so you can put custom name. When someone receive this meeting, they will receive this contact's name. Optimize for availability, optimize for equal distribution. It's up to you. You can select this one or you can select this ones. Both meanings are almost same. And then we have another where we can set our priority. We can say that it's a high priority calendars where we have meetings and everything. Like we can use Zoom, we can use Google Meet, and we can use phones or phone address. So for in my case, I'm going to use Zoom because Zoom is not linked, so that's why it says you need to link Zoom. You can add your own custom location as well, other custom location, like we can use Meet and we can use Zoom on a same time. Here is a meeting colors, so you can say that we can change color as well. So I just save it. Okay, so right now our calendar is saved, and I just go to availability, and here is the option where I am talking about. Either we can use with the default form, with when someone book, they can put their name, email, phone numbers, and either we can go with this one, or you can use a custom form. Here there is all list of forms you created in a site section, in a form section. I will show you, and I just go to sites, and I just go back in calendars. Here is a site option, and here we have a form. You can see we have a lot of forms here. These are the forms we have designed here. We can use these form or we can use default form as well. It's up to you. And we can just find our calendar. Our calendar name was test calendar. So I just put some test here. I can go here and I just go to edit mode here. Just simply click on it and go back in edit mode. And after that, I just go here. Okay, it's another calendar, test one calendar, but we can change it according to your requirement as well. Let me go back again. I just put test 2. I think we don't save it, so that's why it's not here. So let's keep this one. It's almost same. We have image as well, and we set our availability according to our available times, and here we can select form. And in a form cases, it's up to you. You can select custom form or you can use default form. And in the we can also use this time selector first, and form first, and time selector after, and we can select time and date selector first and form later. So normally we have in this way, so we can keep this one. So again, we will, if you want to change some description, some check consent, you can update it this one. Otherwise we can just off this consent as well. So you can see some confirmation page. When someone book appointment, they can receive this message as well. So if you have Facebook pixel ID or any pixel ID where you want to track, so you can put your pixel ID as well. So that's how our calendar is done. So right now our calendar name is test one calendar. So that's how we can make our calendar. So I can just assign to team member as well. So that's how we can make our calendar. So in the next step, what we can do, here is some custom notifications you can do with auto, or what we can do, we can just disable this because we are going to make in custom with automations. I just go back here, and right now we have our calendar is ready. So I just go back in simply pipelines, opportunities, and we can make our pipelines. So first of all, we have set up our calendar, basic calendar. We will assign to team members, set our availability and booking window, notice feature limit. We can do this custom. We have connect Google's and any other calendars, and custom booking form fields. We have learned how we can utilize this. So in the next phase, what we are going to learn, calendar type. So we also discuss this type as well, like personal calendars, our team calendars, our round and robin calendar, service based calendar. We have discussed this as well. So right now in the third step, what we are going to do, we are going to make these stages. Let me I just go with this one. We can make these stages. We can make the new lead, appointment book, and appointment confirm, show, no show, and cancel and closed. So we are going to learn this, how we can make pipeline in GoHighLevels. So I just go back here. Here we already have appointment stage, so we can add this as well. Like I just simply go here. You can add more fields or create fields as well from here. I just go into pipeline. So this was us, and we can say that new lead. Okay, and we can drag this on a top. And if you want to add more stages, so we can add more stages as well. Like we can add I think we don't need any other stage, so we have good with that. So we have this one, and these stages are done. Now we have stages, we have calendars, and we also have pipelines as well, pipeline and stages. So what is the next step? We will go on the automation section, and we will make automations for calendars, automations for booking, automations for reschedule, and automations for cancellation as well. So simply I just go here and make things clear. So we'll say that booking automations for video. So you can make every time once you make automations for forms, for calendars, so you can make folder something like this. So I just make this folder, and now folder is empty, so I can create first workflow, and I can start from scratch, or we already have pre-build automation as well, but right now I'm going to make from scratch. I just say continue, and I will say that first of all we need to put name here. I will say that 001 point and say booking automations for video. So first of all we need to select our trigger. So in trigger, what we can say that first of all we can set trigger. We say that appointment status, and we will say that appointment book, and also let me go back and I will say that customer appointment, booked appointments, and service booking. These are all triggers, but for now I'm going to use this one, and I will say that because we have calendars, so I can just simply go here and I will say that in calendars and select calendars. What was the name of our calendars? We'll say that test 1. That's our calendar. I just simply select this calendar, and in the next step, so right now we can say that our status is, and we can select status as well. So yeah, we already select the trigger, so we don't need this. We will select the trigger appointment status is booked. So we'll say that appointment status in this calendar, we can say that appointment status is, we can say that confirmed, and we can use this. And in the very next step, what we can do, we can add a tag. We can say that add a contact tag, and we can say we can use any of this, and for now I'm using this one. We can say that appointment status is appointment is confirmed. You can make your own tag as well, but in my case I already have a tag, so I can use this one, simply this one, and here we can say that we can replace the tag and it appointment confirm. We can use this one. So we have just tag here, and in next step what we can do, we will assign to user, and appointment assigned to user, and we will select user, and but right now I'm going to use this user, and we can say that assign to, just write the short name. So you know, in your case you can add your client name and you can mention here to which this is task is going to assign. In the next stage what we can do, we will once assigned, I will send internal notification as well, and send internal notifications, and in my case I'm going to send SMS. It's up to you, you can select SMS, or we can not select all user, we could go with particular user, and particular user we go with this guy, and we will select templates none, and we will say that test. But here we can update, we will say internal notification to Bob, and I'm again also mention here okay, SMS. So in the next step what we can do, we will add a wait, like we will add wait not just 1 minute, and wait 1 minute, and then what we can do in the next step, now our booking is added, we have add tag, we assign to user, we send internal notifications, we have just wait few seconds, and after that what we can do, we will send a confirmation email to this guy who book appointment. So here we can do from email, we will select that from emails. So I just simply go the user, and we'll say that full name, and for emails go to users and select emails, and here we have subject line, we can say that test for now, and we will say that test for now as well. Here is a placeholder as well, you can use it and create your quick emails. There is a AI that can do for you, but right now I just simply write this, I'm not using anything here. So additional setting, what you want to track your clicks, you want to track your UTM tracking, and you want to add tag based on the open and not open email. So right now I'm not going to do anything here, I just simply say we can say that confirmation email, and then we can add again wait, and then we can go again on confirmation. So till now we have add confirmation email. So in the next step what we can do, we will add, I just save these automations, and we will add our next trigger here as well. Simply go here and we will add trigger. So we will wait, and we'll say that wait for 1 minute, and yeah, we can select here 1 minute, and then what we can do, we will send them SMS. Test, and we will send them confirmation SMS, we can say that confirmation SMS. And after that, once these are done, we will send reminders like this is done, and we can say either we can make in the same workflow, or we can use another workflow. What we can do, we will wait, and we will send here time delay, and we will say that overdue conditions, whatever you want to do, but we can say that appointment time, and before the day 1 we can say that before maximum it says month, we can say that 1 day, and we can say let's make not days, we will say that 24 hour, and we can say that 23 hour 1, and we can say that 59 minutes before the 24 hour they can we will wait, and after that we will send this wait 24 hour, and then we will send them reminders. send email. In my case, I'm going to send emails, but up to you. You can use SMS as well, but right now you're going to use this dummy information. And similarly, we can send before a 15 minutes, before a 10 minutes, and before a 5 minutes. And after that, when these all things are done, then we can go in the next phase. And I just go back into our automations part. And here we have one automations. I will create another automations, and we will say that cancellation or no show. I will say that 002 cancel or no show. Okay, in this case we will set triggers, appointment status, and I will say select calendars. First of all, we will select calendar in calendars, and calendar was test 1, and we'll say that appointment status is cancelled, or we will say that, okay, let's add another trigger, cancel or appointment status. Similarly, we will do calendars. We will select calendars, and we will say that test 1, and say that appointment status is no show. We can select this, and I just write it, appointment status is cancel. Appointment status is no show. Okay, and after that we can just simply add condition. We will add if else here. In first branch we can say that select workflow trigger is or we can say that, so in the next step what we can do, we will add simply, so we will add tag, and we can say that appointment status is no show or is cancel. And then what we can do, we will, based on this, we will create and update opportunity. Our pipeline is appointment, select is or no show, and then what we can do, but you can keep the heading notes here. Right now I'm not adding it, but you can keep heading notes here, and update opportunity. And in the next phase what you need to do, update opportunity, and we will send confirmation, send email. Right now I'm going to send emails, but you can use custom SMS as well. I just simply use this one, in which we can say that your appointment is a no-show or cancel, so you can make automation based on this. So I just simply go with this one. But better is that you can use separate automations, like one is for cancellation, one is for no-show. But in my case I use same trigger. You can make it separate but similar with this path. Update, and we can send opportunity as well. Then we can send reminder until they not reschedules meetings. This is how you can make appointment cancellations and no-show. One thing we miss here, we have not update our opportunity. So here what we need to do before this assign, and here I will create and update opportunity. In case I will say that appointments, and we will say there are new leads, and we will add here opportunity as well. So that's how you can make your booking system. And if you need any other help with GoHighLevels like funnel design, website design, simply go to Leadsflex.com and you can book free 30 minutes free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you everything step by step if you need any help with GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching this video.